So again, for placement and replacement here, I'm joined by John from Sales Denmark. So we'll discuss a little on, how we would go about replacing the DEVIreg Incontrol, or replacing the DEVIreg 233 with the DEVIreg Incontrol, and how that would progress in an ideal situation if we needed to upgrade a system, or should we have a defective unit. One of the things here, John, is we've of course put some effort into putting the layout the same way, but there are differences here, John. So how would you go about explaining this?
It's quite easily to exchange these or replace one with the other ones. And normally the terminals are more identical than you think, but we have upgraded it for 16 amps instead of the previously 13 amps. The power from outside is coming in on the same places, so actually we have only removed one terminal where we used that for ground and replaced it with the option for getting an air sensor instead here. So depending on what you will use it for, you can use it for different kind of options. Furthermore, I will also explain that the form factor that is very popular in Denmark as the only country, it's the Fuge design. So it's simple to replace. Just go for it.
Yes.